you're telling me that you can see all of the stoves that are cooking right now.
Name any region, I'll show you.
Let's start from home. Let's start with Kenya.
Sure.
Malawi. That's crazy. Burn wasn't always so techy, but they've always been crazy about clean cooking.
When we met Burn, this is the reality of the average Kenyan's cooking experience.
But now this is what Burn has become.
From this, to this, to these, to that.
So Peter, let's cook.
Let's cook.
We're really
Yeah.
excited. So what is the story of the initial founding of Burn?
Really, yeah, it started from like saving forests, then saving lives, then improving lives, and then all around like making the world's best products. I basically started the company with $4 million of debt and no equity. And so then I had to live on those fumes for a number of years until 2014 when Acumen came to the table. And they were really the only ones that saw sort of my vision, like, no, this is the biggest unaddressed challenge on the planet. You know, this year we'll do about 2.5 million stoves. Next year we'll do 5. Hopefully next year after that we'll do 10. Probably maxing at like 15 million a year. But yeah, we're just getting started, baby.
Making clean cooking available for all has been the dream for Burn. But has it been achieved? Let's find out over lunch. Nisikia hapa. How you went?
Yes, I'm very, very. First time I bought the pressure cooker. As I'm using the induction cookers, the efficiency has really increased. I've moved from using charcoal to electricity.
Yes.
Which is so clean.
Yeah. And is it tasty? Today, I'm a new employee at Burn, and hopefully I'll get an induction to the induction stove. How do you think Burn has impacted your own life?
It has enabled me to study. Right now, I have a certificate for human resource.
Really?
Yeah.
All this work that goes into product design, all this work that goes into carbon reduction, how does it actually translate into useful impact in people's lives?
Less smoke means less indoor air pollution, so you are improving your health.
At the point of download, you're able to GPS locate the stove to its exact location.
Really? So if I have a stove in Kiambu, you can come and
We
see
can note it to almost the exact distance.
That's crazy. So how does this information inform product design and carbon credits?
Usage is a key factor for carbon crediting. So in as much as the stove is highly efficient, you actually need it to be used for people to claim the credits that are being claimed on the stove.
Ah, yes. Umenifunza mambo. What you've seen today is not just a cook stove. It's an ecosystem based on affordability, efficiency, and dignity.
This is why we invested in Burn. Because Burn is not just improving cook stoves, it is redefining clean cooking in Africa.
At Acumen, we back companies that lead markets, not follow them. And Burn is setting that standard.